Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are diving into algebra and feeling a bit lost in the world of identities, then you are at right place. Today we will take question number 9 to 16 from exercise 2.4. Question number 1 to 8 has been already covered in part 1. So stick with video, watch till in. Let's start the video. Question number 9. Verify first one x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Second one x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Solution for this. Look at first expression x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. As we know, cube of sum x plus y के the whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. From here, we will try to calculate x cube plus y cube, that is equal to x plus y के the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Take x plus y as a common, then we get x cube plus y cube equal to, taking x plus y as a common, we remain with x plus y square minus 3xy. Use identity x plus y के the whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X cube plus y cube, that is equal to x plus y into x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 3xy. Then x plus y into x square plus 2xy minus 3xy after rearranging plus y square. Then x plus y into x square plus 2xy minus 3xy, that is equal to minus xy and plus y square. From here we get x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now second expression is x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. As we know, cube of difference x minus y के the whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Now to calculate x cube minus y cube, we have to transfer minus 3xy into x minus y on the left side. Then we get x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y के the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. Take x minus y as a common, then we get x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus 1 take it common, we remain with x minus y के the whole square minus 3xy. Use identity x minus y के the whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y into x square minus 2xy plus y square plus 3xy. Then x minus y into x square minus 2xy plus 3xy plus y square. Now x minus y into x square and minus 2xy plus 3xy, that is equal to plus xy then plus y square. Now question number 10. Factorize each of the following. First one is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Second is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Then solution for this. Look at first one, 27y cube plus 125z cube. Then 27y cube plus 125z cube can be written as 3y के whole cube plus 5z के whole cube. As we know that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Take x equal to 3y and y equal to 5z and put in above expression. Then we get 3y के power cube plus 5z के power cube equal to 3y plus 5z into 3y के the whole square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z के the whole square. Then 3y plus 5z into 3y square equal to 9y square and minus 3y into 5z equal to minus 15yz and plus 5z square equal to plus 25z square. Second one, that is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Then 64m cube minus 343n cube. It can be written as 4m cube minus 7n cube. We know that x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Take x equal to 4m and y equal to 7n and put in above expression. Then we get 4m के power cube minus 7n के power cube, that is equal to 4m minus 7n into 4m के the whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n के the whole square. Then 4m minus 7n into 4m के the whole square equal to 16m square and plus 4m into 7n, that is equal to plus 28mn and plus 7n square, that is equal to plus 49n square. Now look at question number 11. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Solution for this: 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. It can be written as 3x whole to the power cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Use identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Put x equal to 3x, y equal to y and z equal to z in identity. Then we get 3x to the power cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z, that is equal to 3x plus y plus z into 3x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz, that is equal to 3x plus y plus z into 3x square equal to 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Now question number 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y के the whole square plus y minus z के the whole square plus z minus x के the whole square. Solution for this: use identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Take 1 by 2 as a common, then we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into 2 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx. Now 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. 2x square can be written as x square plus x square. 2y square can be written as y square plus y square. 2z square can be written as z square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now we will rearrange terms. Then we get 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x square minus 2xy plus y square plus y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2xz plus x square. We can use identity x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is equal to x minus y के the whole square, then y square minus 2yz plus z square, that is equal to y minus z के the whole square, then z square minus 2xz plus x square, that is equal to z minus x के the whole square. Then 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y के the whole square plus y minus z के the whole square plus z minus x के the whole square. Now another question, question number 13. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Solution for this: use identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Given that x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, that is equal to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz. Question number 14. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of
each of the following. First one is minus 12 to the power cube plus 7 to the power cube plus 5 to the power cube. Second one 28 to the power cube plus minus 15 to the power cube plus minus 13 to the power cube. Solution for this. Now first one is minus 12 to the power cube plus 7 to the power cube plus 5 to the power cube. Let x equal to minus 12, y equal to 7 and z equal to 5. We know if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Then x plus y plus z equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, that is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5, that is equal to minus 1260. Now second, that is 28 to the power cube plus minus 15 to the power cube plus minus 13 to the power cube. Let x equal to 28, y equal to minus 15 and z equal to minus 13. We know if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz. Then x plus y plus z equal to 28 minus 15 minus 13, that is equal to 28 minus 28, that is equal to 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3 into x into y into z. Then 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. After multiplication we get 16380. Question number 15. Give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. First one, area equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and second one is area equal to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Then solution for this. First, area equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12 using the splitting the middle term method. Then we have to find a number whose sum equal to minus 35 and product equal to 25 into 12 equal to 300. We get minus 15 and minus 20 as the numbers. Then minus 15 plus minus 20 equal to minus 35 and minus 15 into minus 20 equal to 300. So we can write 25a square minus 35a plus 12, that is equal to 25a square minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. Then after taking 5a as a common, we remain with 5a minus 3, and after taking minus 4 as a common, we will again remain with 5a minus 3. Now we will take 5a minus 3 as a common, then we remain with 5a minus 4. Then 25a square minus 35a plus 12, that is equal to 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. As we know, area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. Comparing both areas, then possible expression for length, that is equal to 5a minus 3, and for breadth, that is equal to 5a minus 4. Now second given area of rectangle, that is equal to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Using the splitting the middle term method, we have to find a number whose sum is equal to 13 and product is equal to 35 into minus 12 equal to minus 420. We get 28 and minus 15 as the numbers. Add 28 plus minus 15, we get 13, and 28 into minus 15 equal to minus 420. Now 35 square plus 13y minus 12, that is equal to 35 square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Now take 7y as a common from 35y square plus 28y. Then we remain with 5y plus 4, and taking minus 3 as a common from 15y minus 12, we remain with 5y plus 4. Now take 5y plus 4 as a common, then we remain with 7y minus 3. As we know, area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. Comparing both areas, then possible expression for length, that is equal to 5y plus 4, and for breadth that is equal to 7y minus 3. Look at question number 16. What are the possible expression for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volume are given below? First volume that is equal to 3x square minus 12x, and second volume that is equal to 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. As we know, volume of cuboid that is equal to length into breadth into height. Then first volume that is equal to 3x square minus 12x. Take 3x as a common, then we get 3x into x minus 4, then 3 into x minus 4. Comparing with volume of cuboid, then possible expression: length equal to 3, breadth equal to x, and height that is equal to x minus 4. Second volume that is equal to 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Take 4k as a common, then we get 4k into 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Using the splitting the middle term method, we have to find a number whose sum equal to 2 and product equal to 3 into minus 5 equal to minus 15. We get 5 and minus 3 as the number, then 5 plus minus 3 equal to 2, and 5 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. So we can write 4k into 3y square plus 2y minus 5 that is equal to 4k into 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Now 4k into taking y as a common, we get 3y plus 5, and taking minus 1 as a common, we get 3y plus 5, that is equal to 4k, and take 3y plus 5 as a common, then we remain with y minus 1, then 4k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. Comparing with volume of cuboid, we get possible expression for length is 4k, breadth is 3y plus 5, and height that is equal to y minus 1.